Do you want to make sure your vehicle stays home? Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how we secure this vehicle in a method that nobody can bypass. We have a 2025 Ram 1500 in here. Got the vehicle keys. Should be a simple task to just jump into the vehicle and drive away. At this point, if you don't have the IGLA Immobilizer in your car, your vehicle is gone. The thief jumps in, put the car in gear, and the car is gone. But as you can see in this case, the vehicle just shut down. The vehicle is going nowhere. At this point, the user, before putting the car in gear, would actually have to enter a sequence of buttons. It can be 3 buttons, it can be 20. It's a sequence using the factory controlled buttons, nothing aftermarket. There's no way to follow wiring and find the system or bypass it. So all they have to do as a user, start the vehicle, and this time, before you shift the gear, just enter the code that you created. Once we get a confirmation, put the car in gear and safely drive to your destination. Protecting your vehicle. You need to put an IGLA Immobilizer in your car. Once you have the IGLA Immobilizer in your car, you will wake up every morning, the vehicle will still be there, and you won't have to worry about it. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.